Die Pandemie einzudämmen.
They were speaking in different languages, but there was no missing the message.
It's only by joining forces and working together that we will defeat coronavirus.
World leaders participating in a virtual G20 summit this weekend, urging a united response to the pandemic, upending lives around the globe.
This pandemic knows no borders. It has reached all countries and affected directly and indirectly every person living on this planet.
Covid-19-Herausforderung ist natürlich.
Said the German Chancellor, COVID-19 is a global challenge that can only be resolved if everyone works together. The vaccine, says the French president, must be available to every nation, rich or poor.
Разработаны нашими учеными вакцины.
The Russian president saying he's prepared to do that. In the U.S., the much-anticipated COVID vaccines could be available to some as early as next month.
Our plan is to be able to ship vaccines to the immunization sites within 24 hours from the approval. So I would expect maybe on day 2 after approval, on the 11th or on the 12th of December.
The debate over how to distribute a potential vaccine could not come at a more urgent time, with several countries battling a pandemic resurgence. The British Prime Minister announcing plans this weekend for England's regions to face severe restrictions when a national lockdown ends on December 2nd.
Christmas is not going to be normal this year, but that said, the Prime Minister and everyone else were looking at ways to see how families can spend some time with each other.
On the other end of the world, Australia is slowly returning to normal as COVID cases and deaths plummet.
We have avoided a catastrophic situation in our state by following the unequivocal health advice.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau also taking part in this weekend's all-virtual G20 summit. His remarks echoing those of his counterparts, with a statement from his office saying Trudeau highlighted the importance of G20 leadership and coordinated action to beat the COVID-19 pandemic. He also advocated for the equitable access to vaccines, because as the statement says, we can't end the pandemic in Canada without ending it everywhere else. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.